In this transition, the base will be bending and extending, flyer as well, finding the moments where you can stack your bones and the moments where you need to transition and bend. Base has the feet turned in to make this second step right here. Flyer is keeping the pike straddle, finding the straight arms as they come to horizontal. When you find the right rhythm of bending and extending, it feels like a dance, slow and controlled. Coming to front plank, front bird. Base bends the knees, flyer holds the forearms of the base as they extend into shoulder stand. Flyer changes the grip, base passes the flyer's head through, hooks onto the feet as the flyer stands up to reverse foot to hand. Forearms slide out to the side to lower the partner to front bird. So the legs are the strong support, now the arms are the strong support, and then back to the legs again. Flyer, you're waiting and listening for when your base is stable, and then you move onto those points of stability. Flyer is pushing down into the arms, and as they change the grip, they can slow down the back bend. Catherine's wheel. Starting in star, flyer maintains pike straddle the whole time. Base steps to the thigh. Flyer keeps the elbows in. Base bends deeply, extends again. Finding the right angle in the arms to push creates ease in the legs. Flyer does the best to keep the spine straight. The legs pivot around that point. Base keeping the feet soft, keeping the feet extending through the shoulders to create the lift. The more powerful point is the legs. Use the arms as follow-through. Corkscrew. Hand-to-hand grip, jumping up to star. From star, flyer brings the feet together, bends one knee. Base frees up a foot, lets the flyer come down vertical first, and then into back bird. Flyer waits to sit up until base is set. Flyer extends the legs, rounds forward. Base bends the knees as they extend the arms. So there's a dance between bending and extending. Here you bend the knees, flyer extends the body. Here the flyer bends the body, base bends the knees and extends the arms. So you keep finding these oppositional points of support. Bending and softening, finding stability, and then coming back up again. The receptivity and the listening makes it so the transition is easier. Tumbleweed. Flyer starts in a back bird. One knee stagged, hand-to-hand grip. Base can turn the foot out to the side, step the other foot to the shoulder, and extend to star. Flyer brings the feet down to the base's hands. Base gets a good grip, sets the elbows, flyer stands up. Base repositions the feet. Flyer's moving slow with control, waiting to feel where the base's point of support is. As there's patience and listening in how you move, there's more stability in the transitions. Base, keep the feet soft. If all else fails, slow things down. Feel each step of the transition. Speed is something you can add as you have more rhythm comfort, and trust. Reverse tumbleweed.